Alright, first up on our blue Floodlight Showdown, we have the Westinghouse 100 watt blue BR-38. And I picked this up at Ace Hardware for about $9, I think. Can't remember exactly, might have been $6, I can't remember. It wasn't that much though. And there it is in the fixture. One thing that I noticed right off the bat, the reflective coating, not the best. It looked like it was chipped in a few places. But we're going to go ahead and turn down the house lights and give it a test. Alright, as you can see with the reflective coating chipped away, there's a lot of light escaping, and you can see the blue is kind of washed out around here, very dark over here, pretty nice, like in a small circle. Not really that great, but it is what it is. So that was the Westinghouse 100 watt BR-38.